Hi everybody, welcome to another video of Easy English Practices. Today we are going to learn how to use the word rather in a sentence. So let's start.
Rather would also mean prefer.
So let's say the first usage.
I would rather stay at home than go outside. Here, rather means prefer or instead. Another example, she would rather drink tea than coffee. He would rather watch a movie than play football. Here, rather means prefer. Let's see another usage where rather means quite or fairly. For example, the movie was rather interesting. Another example, she is rather busy today. A third example, the weather is rather hot. Here, rather means quite or fairly. Let's see the third usage, where rather means a little. For example, I am rather tired today. Another example, this bag is rather heavy. Again, another example, he spoke rather softly. Here, rather means a little. Now let's revise. So rather has three different usages. One, where it means prefer. Second, where it means quite or fairly. Third, where it means a little. Try making your own sentences using rather and write it in the comments.
These are the ways the word rather can be used in sentences. Hope this video helped you. Keep watching for more videos. Thank you and have a great day.